goes on.
He does.
Finally, no more talking
He
about
doesn't like you to put a coal car in one engine that it doesn't belong to. It upsets him.
it. No,
I tried.
might not want everybody to see that, huh?
That would be, I'll let him open it. Just come on for grins.
Yes. I'm supposed to have these? Who's that? Max and Monty. I never heard you say I don't know. Max and Monty.
Sit down and look, Connor.
Connor, do you like trains too? Do you like Thomas the Train?
But no, see, I don't know much about Thomas the Train. All I love is cars and trucks and motorcycles.
Oh boy.
Oh,
That sounds like fun.
And skateboards.
All right.
Who's that
Sounds
from?
like fun to me. I like motorcycles.
You must have wrapped it good. I can't get in it.
no, that was, these are Daddy's wrapping jobs today.
We got half the battery left.
Just take it out, bud. Who's that? Toad. Toad. Alright.
There's you. That's what you got to look forward to.
More presents than anybody already seen.
Yeah, dare, do anything that Donald guys are saying.
That is
Think of the old
this.
stone and how to do everything.
this.
Because whatever he sees them do, he does.
I bet that fella down there at the train shop is glad y'all found him.
Brian was his best friend that day.
Yeah, I'm sure. He saw you coming.
And it's gonna see you up.
He say, hurry up.
That's right. Christmas is right around the corner.
Who's that? Iron Airy and Iron Bird. Burp. That's right, Burp.
His name's Burp?
Yeah, Iron Bird.
Get it right,
What's wrong with you?
Burp. I thought it was a T.
Obviously, that's his name, Burp.
I mean,
You're going to have a bigger playroom with all them trains. He's like cars and trucks.
You know that spot that you thought was yours, Brian?
Yeah.
That
Knock it
door
out and
right
make
off
it
the
huge.
playroom. I think you're going to be relinquishing that.
Brian doesn't need a
Brian
room.
said that was his place.
He doesn't need one, does he? Daddy don't need a room.
Brittany, just
Take
take
that
that
upstairs.
upstairs.
There you go. I don't think I did touch it, baby.
All that work for fun.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
So you look the fastest.
You don't even look at him.
Oh, but he will when Mama asks him, do you want to wear
Yeah.
red or... He'll deliberate over
Oh, this
that.
morning he wanted to wear 3 shirts to his party.
Couldn't make up
Three
his mind.
It's the same way.
You would
I got to the point I don't ask anymore.
Yeah.
That's
I usually don't.
Because if I asked, we're going to a battle.
Just say you're wearing this, let's go.
We have a battle over shoes and us.
Oh.
There you go. That's open.
Yes, he sure will. You put something out and he sees something else. I don't want to wear that.
Whoa!
Yay!
Yay!
Hey, Connor, now we'll have a fashion show.
This is the best birthday ever.
Oh.
Yes, you must see the thing.
what's it say, Brett?
Can you read it? It says, it's your birthday. Does it say vroom vroom? You're asleep.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it.
Good enough. You gotta read this one.
Quick.
Good job.
Oh, he can read. Is that
Can you do that again?
You like that, don't you? Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
There's some bars
Yes.
there somewhere.
I win.
That's his
How
thing.
did I get this?
You want it back?
Say thank you.
What are you gonna buy?
He just gave it to me. I'm gonna buy some gas.